Hey guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you two simple ways to add borders around text in Google Docs on your Windows PC. The first method, using a 1x1 table. Place the cursor where you want the border text, click Insert, Table, then 1x1. Type or paste your text in the cell, then right-click the cell and choose Table Properties. From there, set the border width and the border color. Adjust cell padding to control spacing and click OK. The text will appear inside a clean border. The second method, using Drawing for more control. Click Insert, Drawing, then New. Choose the text box to draw the box and type your text. Then use Drawing toolbar to set the box border width, color, and corner radius. When you are done, click Save and Close to insert the border text as an image-like element. You can move and resize as well. Finally, if you need the border to flow with text, use the 1x1 table. If you need custom style or rotated text, the drawing tool gives more flexibility. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.